So talking about the TCS and Infosys, so both TCS and Infosys are the companies which provide basic IT related services, and both of them are trading at almost 52-week low, and both the companies in the last 3 years have not given any return, as you will see that in the next part of the video. So as we can see, there is not much growth in the quarter on the quarter, as sales from September 2024 to June 2025 has not been increased that much, or it has been increased or decreased, and overall we cannot see that much growth in the quarter on quarter. And on year basis also, the company's revenue is limited. All the revenues are flat. As you can see, in the last 10 years it has only given 12% return. In the last 5 years it has given 12% return. In the last 3 years 10% return, and in the trailing 12 months 7% return in terms of revenue or sales growth. Profit growth compounded for the 10 years has been not that much, only 8 percentage. And the stock price compounded annual growth rate for the last 1 years and 3 years has not been anything. Talking about the company's PE ratio, so the company's PE ratio is currently 22.9. Now talking about the TCS, so TCS also, all the revenue are flat. From the last 10 years, it has only given 10% return, 5 years 10% return, 3 years 10% return, trailing 12 months only 5% return for the compounded sales growth. Now talking about the compounded profit growth, it has only been 10% from the last 10 years. Stock price from the last 3 years and last 1 year, it has not given any kind of return. And talking about the PE ratio, so the stock PE is currently trading at 22.9. And similar to the Infosys, we cannot see that much growth in the sales on the quarter on quarter, or overall growth in the quarter on quarter, and the year on year revenue is also limited, as we have seen in the previous part of the video. Now, what are the major reasons? Overall, if they depend only on the IT services, we cannot see, or we will not able to see that much growth in the companies. Overall, long term growth cannot be seen until and unless they do their own development. For instance, like India do not have their own artificial intelligence or AI. So the problem with our companies are that they do not spend that much on R&D. Instead, they give dividend or spend the money elsewhere. So talking about both the companies, so the both the companies major revenue is generated from the US and Europe. In US, from the last 3 years there has been a slowdown. Now talking about the some of the news of the TCS or the information about the TCS is to protect the profit. TCS has laid off 12,000 employees, and the company recently has started giving training to employees to learn AI. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay updated for more videos like this. And leave your doubts in the comment section below.